Okay, today is 26th December. We just had our breakfast and we are leaving from the base camp, Bella Homestay, which is, as you guys can see over there, far end. Bella Homestay is our base camp for Kudremukh trek, and we have about 10 people on this jeep. We are living in about 4 or 5 jeeps, and we are going with Plan the Unplanned. And Milan is our lead trek.
Hi guys.
Trek lead, and we also have a few guys from Bangalore over here with us. All right.
Hello.
And this is Mudgal Mandali and Harnurkar Mandali. All right. So we're all excited. I know it's going to be a bit tiring, but we're all ready. The sumptuous breakfast and the packed lunch are waiting for us. See you up.
Maybe a group of drive. You can share your vlogs and all that.
Look at it. Oh my God. This is just crazy.
Be easier to walking.
Whoa. After a trek about 100 meters, we have reached the checkpost, forest checkpost. This is where the forest officials are going to check about our permits, because this is a protected area. So people should not carry plastics, any disposable items. All right, we are beginning the ascent now. The terrain is slightly very, very crooked for the time beginning. We are with Plan the Unplanned, and everybody is excited getting ready for the trail. All charged up, had a sumptuous breakfast. Okay, we just crossed a small stream with some pebbles and rocks. Now we've got to be climbing up this way. Okay, the hills have started to appear. We are walking opposite the valley, onto the other side of the valley. The peak is still quite far away. We just reached the first important stage. There's one tree that's considered to be a landmark, and then we're going to be probably reaching another landmark, Vantimara, which is a few kilometers away from here. It's 9:20 in the morning. The sun is shining sharp and bright, and we have covered about 25% of our trek. It's a 9-kilometer trek one way. I think somebody said it's 11-kilometer trek. So 11-kilometer up, 11-kilometer down. Oh God! Thought it was easy. Thought it was going to be all luxury. We have reached the halfway point of Kudremukh trek. There's this single tree standing along the trek trail. It's called single tree or the Vantimara. That's the tree. It's not an easy trek. Whoever said it's an easy trek must rechange their statement. Some parts of the trek and trail are very tiresome. Okay, we started from Vantimara, or the single tree, which marks the midway from the base camp to the summit, and we just had a bit of a rest and a group photo, and now we started. There are a few people who have already gone.
Very exciting, beautiful views.
Absolutely.
So you don't really feel tired.
Amazing. The trick is keep sipping water every now and then. Rest your legs a little bit here and there, but don't stop completely. If you stop completely, your mind won't allow you to start again. Just look at this view. Put on this kerchief to protect myself from the sun. Been blazing. Some shade now. Just got some shade. Okay, another 300 meters from here, we won't be reaching the peak. Okay, there's a flat land for some part here, and after that, once again, we'll have to climb up all the way to that peak. That's the peak. So I'm just a few steps away from the peak. I'll make it. Very tiring. So finally we are at the summit of Kudremukh mountain. Happy to have achieved this. Wow. This is all clouds behind me. In the clouds. Okay, so I am at the peak of Kudremukh hill, and they've written something about the altitude and other details about this peak. It's at an altitude of 1892 meter. So finally we reached. So it's 1:12 p.m. We just finished our lunch at the summit of Kudremukh, and then we are getting down now. We started our descent. So it's going to take about 3 hours, most likely 2.5 to 3 hours. Hopefully the descent is going to be much easier than the ascent has been. Obviously, in all cases, in all treks, ascent is usually the most difficult one. But we'll have to be careful because there are some places where it's quite slippery and some loose rocks are also there. So far, there has been no incident, so that's quite an encouraging thing. So it's been a very productive and fruitful day. Even the way back has quite a bit of ascent, though 80% of it is actually descent, but 20% you still have to climb some hills. We are about 1 kilometer away now from the checkpost, the forest checkpost. Our jeeps are waiting over there. After completing the trek, 11 kilometers both up and down, we are now back to the forest checkpost.